Hi, this is Greg West with RAYWEST DESIGNBUILD. Today we want to talk to you about the AIA Pay App, or Application for Payment. As a reminder, AIA stands for the American Institute of Architects, and this Pay App is their formal way of tracking progress on the construction job and, of course, verifying payment as it's due. At RAYWEST DESIGNBUILD, we generate one on the 15th of the month for every job, and that we give it to you on the 15th and it's due on the 25th. What the Pay App is, it's really two forms, G703 and G702. G703 is a schedule of values, and we gave that to you in your proposal and in your contract, and that lists line by line each component of the project. The whole basis of this is percentage completion. What did we do from the 15th to the 15th? And that's all you're going to pay for. The last page of this also tracks any change orders that would affect the project. G702 is really the summary. It's the application for payment. It goes line by line of what you've paid so far, what's due, and what remains to be paid. And then that is certified and notarized, and that's what makes up the AIA Pay App. Let's take a deeper look at some of the line items on these forms. Let's start with G703. As I said, it's a schedule of values that's in our proposal on contract. And let's look at how much the electrical was going to cost. On page 5, you can see electrical was $101,000. 90% of the work is done, so $90,000 is what's due. This job was almost complete, but the doors in the storefronts were only at 20%, so only $22,000 of the $111,000 is due for that. So all of these line items are totaled up, brought to the end, and you can see $1,181,000 worth of work is done on this job. And then these totals are brought to the front on page G702. Before we leave Form 703, the last page tracks the change orders on the job and any potential change orders that may be approved by the owner. So let's go now to the front page, or G702, and I'll take this summary a little slower. We'll go down each line. The original contract sum was $43,000 on this, and the change orders have added up to $1.3 million, but this was a design build project, and so the design work cost $43,000. Then we had one large change order for the actual building part. But you can see here that change order is brought down, so the total contract to date is $1.4 million. And of that, $1.181 million, or $1,181,000 of work has been done so far on it. The owner has paid $962,000 for a current payment due of $219,361. And then it also shows the balance to finish, just giving you a heads up of what remains to be paid. And in this case, this was $248,000. Here we have where we've certified this is accurate and it's notarized. And if an architect is administering or overseeing this project for the owner, he would or she would sign it here. So that's it, a very clear and uniform way to handle the monthly payments for a project, whether it be big or small. The process is the same and very transparent. We hope this helps take any mystery out of the AIA Application for Payment, or Pay App. This Pay App and all the AIA forms help us build great spaces for our clients.